The Aleiry Sewer Jetter Kit in 150 feet length gives you professional level reach for clearing long drain runs and buried lines without dragging the pressure washer all over the yard. Its high-pressure hose is built with a reinforced thermoplastic construction that handles up to 5,800 pounds per square inch and typical outdoor temperatures without kinking or cracking. A generous assortment of specialized nozzles, including rotating, corner, pointed, mushroom style, and spring heads, lets you match the spray pattern to everything from greasy main lines to tight bends in household plumbing. The quick connect fittings on both ends make setup fast and secure, and the included thread sealing tape and cleaning pin help keep leaks and clogged jets from slowing you down. Thoughtful extras like the storage strap, carrying bag, and cleaning cloth make it easy to store the long hose neatly and keep the kit organized between jobs. Because it works on drains, gutters, roofs, siding, sinks, toilets, and floor drains, this kit becomes a versatile problem solver for homeowners who want to tackle tough clogs and outdoor cleaning without calling a professional.